In front of me is DOOGEE T20, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once on this device. First of all, you need to open Photos app and then hold one of your photos that you wish to get rid of. In my case, this one. When you're ready, click on those type of dots at the top left corners in order to select multiple photos from this section. Then, in order to delete them, click on this pin at the top right corner. So when I do that, and confirm my choice in the pop-ups, as you can see, all of my selected photos were successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!